Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. Today I am in Makurdi Benue and the streets are so empty, quiet and just no. So we went to the market to pick some items for baking and it was a nice moment. We have to buy, I have to go to the market personally to pick those things that I want that will make the bread, nice the way I want it. Now my challenge in this bakery is this oven. I am so scared of this oven because it's so tough. So we started mixing the first batch to test the oven. I have to tell them that we have to mix a small quantity like 5 kg in order for us to use in testing the oven. Here I was teaching them how to mold. It was a very nice moment and the atmosphere was just so fun and laughter. We are happy working together. It was a nice thing. And so when you are setting up a bakery, don't wait until everything is just want all the biggest gadgets and equipment. Start with what you have and you will definitely scale to that level that you will be able to buy all the necessary big equipments that you desire. So after molding everything, we allow it to proof. And when I come to a bakery, I teach step by step. So today we focus on molding, and you can see they are molding it well, step by step. We got it right. My challenge in this bakery was I was unable to get some of the flavors I desire and the best softener that I love. So I was just baking with the ones I was able to access. And it came out well because we had a very nice time and the bread came out very nice. So I'll keep you guys updated as we train step by step. Invite us, call us. It will take us just 2-3 days to train your staffs and turn your staffs to be good bakers. You have to know how to manage your team. That is one principle that is very important. So we trained them step by step how to mix commercial bread. That is very important. When to stop mixing and transfer to the table. Also, if you are using this type of oven that is here, this locally fabricated oven that do not have any thermometer, you have to be controlling the temperature using the nozzle, the gas nozzle. Just use the gas nozzle to set the flame, and you set it as low as the level that all the flame will be blue. That way you'll be able to bake at the right temperature. So that was the technique I used in conquering that oven. It came out well. You can see our bread, very nice and beautiful. The woman was happy, every staff was happy. The guy I was really focusing on training was also happy because you can see his handwork, everything coming out very nice, golden color, beautiful, delicious bread. Don't use that glove to touch the bread. Okay. It will introduce sand. You have to be conscious. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We'll keep you updated. This is just day one in Makurdi. See you in our next video. God bless you.